If you've been looking for generational living, then I have the house for you. I'm going to take you on a tour of 2144 Symphony Avenue in Roseville. But first, let me show you my top 3 favorite things that I love about this home. Number 1 is you are steps away from this really cool park, pickleball courts, and an awesome walking trail. Number 2, for multi-generational living or income potential, this home has a 550 square foot ADU. Number 3 is how new everything is around here. This home was built in 2019 and the ADU just 3 years later. Drop us a comment, tell us what you think, let's go take a look.